Hi everyone, my name is Carolyn. So far, right now, I'm actually in a nonprofit organization and I work for a program called Family-Based Recovery. In that program, we work with substance use parents that have a child's ages 3 and under. Typically, we refer it to 36 months and under. So with that, they're usually referred to us by DCF, and they have DCF involvement, and the DCF has concerns regarding the parents able to continue parenting the child with having a substance use issue going on. So what we do is we typically go into the home and we try to help the parent maintain sobriety. Um, we go in 3 times a week. There are two visits with a clinician and then one visit with the case manager, which is what I am now. So I just assess their needs and see if there's anything that they may need as far as resources in the community or oftentimes I go to their house and they are venting about something and it's a therapeutic session, but it's not because there's not much I can really say, but of course I can listen to what's going on with them. I do pretty much just refer it over back to the clinicians, and if there's any concerns I have, I do express it. Oftentimes I find clients will tell me that they want like a psych evaluation, so that I do express to the clinicians to put that referral in. Um, Pretty much what I do now. We also have a parent-child component where it teaches the parent to bond with the child. We conduct multiple measures based on substance use as well as parent-child interaction. I don't know if you guys are familiar with some of those measures. Some of the ones we do are PSI, PBQ, adherence measures, ASQ, brief substance use, gain. We do so many measures, and typically we do them every 30 days. So that's pretty much it as far as what I do. So far, what I really liked from taking these courses is the past course I was in. I really enjoyed being able to really focus on the DSM-5 because being, in an office with two clinicians, I see that they often have it, they're referring to it often. So for me, it was nice to really reflect back on it and really engage myself with it. Another thing that I liked from one of the courses was doing genograms because, again, I see the clinicians doing genograms all the time and seeing how awesome and detailed a family's life can really look. And, you can see so many different things going on in their lives just by looking at these lines and this picture that, we formed together. So that's pretty much it. I look forward to getting to know all of you. Thank you.